Hello, today we're going to be going over how to remote control a computer from your PC. So, if you have the Home Edition, it's going to give you the option there to remote control it. But if I go into the settings, let me show you what it shows. So on the Home Edition of Windows 11, it doesn't support remote desktop. So even though it has the option, it doesn't support it. But we could use a different system to be able to do this. So instead of using the built-in app that Windows provides, we're going to be using Teamviewer. So go into your Microsoft Store. Type in Teamviewer. And it's going to be this app right here. So you want to install this on this machine or whichever ones you want to connect to each other. So both of them will have Teamviewer on it. And I'll be back when that finishes installing. Okay, so once we have Teamviewer installed, let's open it up, accept, continue. And then here you have to create an account. Okay, so once you have Teamviewer pulled up, you're signed into it. On the computer that you're going to be using as a control, you're going to create a session. So click on Create Session, give it a name. So let's give it Alpha 2-3. And right here you could either send an email to the person that you're going to be connecting to, or you could copy the link here and share it with the other person. So I'm just going to click on Save. There it is. So on the other session, or on the other computer, the one that you're going to be remote controlling, instead of clicking on here, you could click on Join a Session, and right here it tells you Enter the session code provided by the other participant to grant them access to your device and start receiving support. So the session code is going to be that right there. Getting some background noise. Okay, sorry about that. Just getting some background noise. So I'm gonna go to my other computer and I'm gonna sign in and click on join a session, and then I'll put in this code right there. Okay, coming back to this. So you'll create a session, and then the other computer that you're trying to connect to will click on join session on their side. Enter this code. And let me show you what it says after you enter that on the other side here. Okay, so now start session. And on the other side, it's going to ask for verification again to join the session. And now I'm able to remotely access everything on my other computer here. Alright. Well, that'll be it. I'll see you next time.